Oh my god. take, take two ka. Hi guys, this is Jay and you're watching Holy Shiitake. And today I'm going to show you my apartment here in Sapporo, Hokkaido. So this is the genkan, or the entrance, in most of the Japanese apartments here in Japan. Most genkans are really very narrow, so you have to be a little careful when entering because of the lack of space around. And this one over here is one of my artworks that I made. And because I'm such a big Sailor Moon fan, I created this when I was in Manila before I moved here in Japan. And I thought this was a good place to put my artwork. So yeah, I hope you like it. This one here is my snowboard. And these are most of the boots that I use, especially that this season is winter. And I use these perfumes for the genkan, so the entrance would smell good. And this is the cabinet where I also put my shoes. Next to the genkan, we have our toilet. So as you noticed, I kind of decorated my toilet over here with some flowers and leaves and everything nice. And you notice that there's a faucet over there. The purpose of that is when you do a flush, water comes out and you can actually use your hands to, you can actually use this faucet to wash your hands. The purpose of this is to save water. And yes, this is clean water. And then over here is one of the most common buttons that you see in Japanese toilets. Over here, this is to wash your buttocks. And this one is for the ladies. This is for the heater of the toilet bowl. So, and this is the heater of the water that is used for washing. So I made these paintings when I joined the workshop somewhere in Sapporo a year ago, and I thought, hey, why not? Why not place it in my bathroom? So this one over here is my living room. So these are my collections of some anime figures and Disney characters as well. And guess what? These are all Shingo's presents for me, and he won them from a crane game. And yeah, so take a look. Hi, 誰ですか？
慎吾だよ。
あ、はいどうぞ。Hello. Hello.
懐かしい。
Hello.
Hello.
Next we have the kitchen. Now let's check out the bathroom. So this one over here is our gas heater. If you push this button, and you will see there's a 41 degrees Celsius, that is the temperature of the water heater. So I usually use 41 degrees because I'm so Filipino and I always wanted to take a bath with very hot water. And then this one over here is my quote-unquote high technology washing machine, but honestly it's a very old washing machine. And as you can see, there's some complicated kanji over here, but don't worry because all you have to do is just push this button over here, which is to turn it on, and then you just push this button over here, which will do everything on the course. So this one over here is my mini bathtub, and I'll show you how small it really is. So, not sure if I fit here, but I'd probably take a bath like this one. Now let's get inside my bedroom. Come here, come here. This one here is my futon, so to save space, instead of using a bed, I use this to go to sleep because my room is quite tiny. And that one over there is my cabinet, which I try to fit everything in it. And now that you've seen everything here in my apartment, I hope you learned something. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!